everyone. This is Cristina Dougherty, Nugget, and the Boomer Foster with Paul Wesley Real Estate. So we are just coming on to chat for a few minutes. And Boomer, tell me why you wanted to start this brokerage.
Well, as I was in the middle of a non-compete for about 3 years, I was doing a lot of research and soul searching and prayer around what I wanted to do with my life, and ultimately I was drawn back into real estate simply because it's a place that you can help people and love people every single day. And as I started looking at the landscape of the industry, one of the things that I realized is a lot of companies had lost their way, in my opinion. We've gotten away from character and integrity and hard work, its values, love of people, and obsession over the consumer experience. And it seems like most companies anymore care about profit and loss statements and shareholder calls and that kind of thing. And so at the end of the day, I wanted to give great agents a place that they could go, that they felt like they were a part of a family, that they were fully supported with tools and resources, but most importantly, a place where they could trust leadership and that they knew that their values were aligned with ours.
Awesome. And so you have some family members on board.
Yeah, I'm so excited that my sister agreed to come on board. Rachel, she's the smart one in our family, PhD. She's our principal broker. She's also doing a lot of our brokerage operations and ops right now.
And training,
which her PhD is in education. So she's phenomenal with helping agents at all levels go from wherever they are to the next level. And it's been a huge blessing to be able to work with my sister. That's been one of the great things that has come out of this so far.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So looking towards the future, what are you hoping to achieve?
Well, I would like to help as many families as we possibly can. Our goals don't really center around the number of transactions that we do or the number of agents that are in our company. Our goals are really about how many people, how many families, how many communities we can strengthen every single year. Because at the end of the day, I think when you have a mindset like that and you're doing your business for the right reason and you're hiring agents like yourself who are excellent in everything that they do, you're certainly bound to be successful, but more importantly, you're going to live life with a smile on your face because you're making a difference every single day. And that's what our plan is to make a difference in people's lives.
Well, I've only been over, this is day 5, but I will say that I have felt family love, and it's reminiscent of when I started in real estate and what I loved about it. And it's going to be good. So stay tuned for lots of great success.
Bye, y'all.